Are you finally looking for a career that's actually exciting and rewarding?
Hi guys, I have a pollo fundido.
Right now, the restaurant industry is filled with impressive opportunities that truly offer room for advancement.
Thank you. Good evening, welcome to Bucket Riders.
Arizona's food and beverage scene makes a huge impact on the state's economy, and you can be part of that impact.
Here you go. Thank you.
From front-of-the-house interactions with customers to back-of-the-house culinary magic, there are unique opportunities throughout our bars and restaurants, offering a chance to build a career, not just a job. Did you know the restaurant industry is the second largest employer in the U.S.? Come home to the industry of opportunity and join our family of more than 11 million employees nationwide. We're recovering, we're growing, and we're hiring. Join us.